Welcome everyone. So we are here to present Aranjan Bhaiya. He is one of the renowned persons from IIT Bhilai. He has achieved heights of his placement and Bhaiya, would you shed some light?
Okay. So hello everyone. I am Aryan. I am a student of electrical engineering from 2018 batch. I got placed in Paytm from campus placements, and now I am coming here for convocation. And I'm having this interview with Rishit and Gangesh.
So without further ado, we would ask the first question. When do you think one should start preparing for placements?
I think placements preparation के लिए you should start from third year. उसके पहले chill रहना चाहिए, कुछ ज़्यादा placement की stress नहीं करना चाहिए. And personally, I started preparing seriously in third year because after third year we have to sit for internships by the end of third year. So for that I started in third year, and I think that would be enough.
So which online resource do you recommend for preparations, like for interviews and stuff, for mock tests, for coding tests?
So my primary sources for preparation were Geeks or Geeks, LeetCode, and I used to prepare interview questions from InterviewBit, and used to visit YouTube and watch some playlists to strengthen topics like operating systems and DBMS, etc.
So do you used to visit the previous interview questions for the previous?
Yeah, I think that are very important. That is very important for the placement.
So when did you apply for the off-campus placements and on-campus both, right?
No, I didn't apply for off-campus placements. I applied for off-campus internships, and I got one off-campus internship in Airbus at the end of my third year.
So summer internship, as we are all having in IIT Bhilai. So how summer internships help you in placements?
Okay, so I don't think summer internships play a huge role in your placement process. It is good to have some exposure with internships, and you should always go for them. But in my interview, the interviewer just asked if you had done some internship or not, and it is okay if you don't do internship. But if you are not doing an internship, I would suggest that you should do some sort of project work to strengthen your skills.
So we are like in, I guess in third or fourth year, you have to take some projects and
Yeah.
So do you think the projects help you a lot in placements and getting exposure and experience?
Yeah, projects helped me a lot, and also projects formed a big part of my interview process for Paytm actually. Around 10 to 15 minutes were spent discussing projects which I did in both the rounds of Paytm.
So what kind of questions do companies generally ask? Aside from the coding and the technical stuff,
Okay.
so non-technical stuff, what companies?
So, coding stuff will be the main part of the interview, and then for non-technical stuff, I was asked questions like, why do you want to join this company? What do you think is the vision of Paytm according to you? And some questions regarding what do you have any plans for future, and what do you know about the company, like who is the CEO? Some basic questions I was expected to know about the company.
So how the academic curriculum helped you to prepare for campus placements? Was it a burden, or it basically grew to become?
Actually, most 2 years of my academic preparation were during lockdown due to COVID. So I think online classes helped me a lot to manage my time for preparing for this placement and curriculum. So I wouldn't call it a big burden. Yeah, it was manageable.
So if you would rate that if it were aside from online, if it were offline, so do you think the burden, it would have been a burden? Or?
Yeah, I think making the classes offline would have been, because in that we have to attend classes and prepare for different exams of surprise quizzes, always making trips to acad, to hostel and all. I think that wastes a lot of time, in my personal opinion. But in online, you could just sit on a table chair in your house and you are doing everything from there. You can take break if you want, but it doesn't waste a lot of time.
Well, that's actually your experience and basically the hard work that basically that you have achieved Paytm, and actually congratulations on that, Bhaiya.
Thank you.
And what guidance would you place for the next batch and upcoming batches for their placements?
So I would say the same that one of my seniors told me, like placements और आगे की चिंता मत किया करो एंड शुरू के 2 साल तो बहुत इन्जॉय करो कॉलेज में और नई चीज़ें ट्राई करो, क्या पता किसी को इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा और कुछ पसंद आ रहा है। एंड प्लेसमेंट जो कोडिंग कर रहा है, जो कोई जॉब का प्रिपरेशन करे, कोई किसी और चीज़ का सिविल सर्विसेज हायर एग्जाम्स प्रिपरेशन है, जो मेहनत करता है हो जाता है, उसका स्ट्रेस आउट होने के लिए बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है। आराम से रहो एंड जस्ट कीप डूइंग योर वर्क रेगुलरली, नॉट कि अचानक से 2 महीने में कर दूंगा।
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you for your time. And I guess next year would, basically take this advice and have a wonderful placement like you guys have.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the interview.